This training video is brought to you by K-Alliance. K-Alliance provides high-quality instructor-led training videos for desktop, IT, and soft skills. Visit us online at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new. Real learning, real videos, real success.
Pictures, music, and video. That's what we want to talk about, is how do you run and or look at these items. And it depends. It depends on if you're on the start screen like I am now. And if I'm on the start screen, for instance, here are my photos, and I might have an app for video, I might have an app for anything, right? So you have to decide what apps you possibly are using. So I'm going to show you an example of using the photo app. I'm going to go ahead and just click here on the photo app. And this is pretty typical for any app that you might have. When it opens, don't forget about the right click. When you right click on something, choices tend to pop up either on the bottom of the screen or the top of the screen. So for this one, it says, oh, do you want to go get a picture somewhere? And so if you do, you just click the import button down here. I'm in the bottom right-hand corner, and then you follow the prompts for importing the picture. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and hit escape. Maybe I just want to go get photos, so I can go to my picture library, SkyDrive, Facebook, Flickr, and you can continue down, right? Any devices that you might have attached. I'm going to go ahead and go to the pictures library, and when I open pictures from the pictures library, now here they are on my screen, and I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down to see the pictures. To work with a picture, you simply click on the picture. Well, it's sort of just viewing it now, so maybe that's all you wanted to do, is just view the picture. You know what to do here. Right click. You right click on things inside of Windows 8 to get options. So now I can see the various options that I have within this particular app for working with photos. And I can use this Set As feature, I can use the Delete, I can use the Rotate, or I can use the Crop. Perfect if those are the tasks that you want. If those aren't the tasks you want, then you either need a different app or go to a different part of your computer to do the same type of viewing. I'm going to go ahead and hit the back arrow, because then I would take it out here and go to one of the different pictures, right, and move forward from there. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hit the window D because I want to go out to the desktop, and let's take a look at using the File Explorer. I'm going to go ahead and click on File Explorer. I'm in Libraries here, and we have pictures, we have music, and we have videos. So pictures, let's start there. We were just in pictures. Same idea here, except for if you click on a picture in this location, you can go to Picture Tools at the top, and there are a few things you can do in here, probably not as much as you really want to. So the best goal is to find those apps and find the different ways that you can modify pictures using your personal preferences. Okay, let's go back to Libraries here, and let's go look at the video library. I'm going to go ahead and double click, and I only have one video here as an example, but I want to show you what happens the very first time that you play music or videos from the File Explorer. So if I simply want to play this, I click on the video, I go up to the video tools, I click on the play tab, which gives me the ribbon for play, and I click on play. It says, oh, well, here are all of the options you have in your computer, in your Windows 8, how you could play this video. Which option would you prefer? Now let me talk real quickly here about the Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is a little different than it used to be, and if you have a DVD that you need to play, that actually needs to be installed from the Microsoft's website, and there is a fee for it. There are Windows Media Player features that are probably installed with your software, but you may not have the DVD player, just so you're aware of that. But back to what I was saying here is any features, or excuse me, any players that you have available, you just have to tell it, how do you want to open this? How do you want to play it? And then you select the player and you move forward from that point. Okay, I'm going to hit escape. We don't actually need to play that particular video. Let's go to music. I'm going to click on music, select a song. Same thing. I'm going to go to play. The only difference is I've already played this song before, so the difference here is when I click play, it's just going to go to where, I'm going to turn my volume down here real fast. It's going to go to where I was the last time I played this particular music. It's going to open that player, and then it'll go through the entire play. And I turn the volume down so you're not being able to hear it here, but it would actually then play your song. Let me click the X here, because what if I didn't want to use the player that I chose the first time? Then you simply right-click on the item and you say Open With, and it gives you the options that you have for playing that piece of music. Now this is the same for the video. The video though hadn't been played yet, and so therefore no video had been played yet, and so therefore it didn't have a player selected. So I was choosing that at the time I started the video. Here though, since it's already been chosen, now I re-choose. So it's totally up to you whether you continue to use the same player that you have available or you switch and you go to a different player at some point in the future. Let me close that before I start making a lot of noise here. Okay, so now to recap. Inside of the File Explorer, you have your play tools here. You can either choose the default, right-click, choose to open it with a different player, or, let me get back to the desktop. In the desktop, if you have an app, whatever app you choose, you go into that app. Don't forget about right-clicking, because right-clicking is going to give you features and choices that you have available for not just pictures. We only looked at pictures, but the same would be true for music and or videos. So go enjoy your music, go enjoy your videos, and go work with your pictures inside of Windows 8. And enjoy.
We hope you enjoyed this preview video. Please click on the like button below if you did, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to visit us at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial today. You could learn a lot in a week.